best sturdy rain gauges in 2021. If you are tired spending your money on a rain gauge only to find it cracks, splits, or goes cloudy in a short time, this is a video you must keep watching. There is a solution, and you're going to love it. You're probably thinking rain gauges are all made of plastic, and resign yourself to the fact that they don't last very long when exposed to the elements. Yes, you are right. However, not all plastic rain gauges are equal. Plastic is plastic, so how can a plastic rain gauge be different? The secret is in the type of plastic material used to make the rain gauge. Living in Australia, our climate is pretty harsh like the United States, with strong sun and a high UV index to boot. These tough climatic conditions play havoc with some plastics. That's why most Aussie plastic furniture, pot plant tubs, and other outdoor items like rain gauges deteriorate fast in the sun. They go powdery and crack, making them look tired and ugly. It's so disappointing when this happens. Our Australian-based company has done years of research and testing to come up with the best rain gauges for durability and reliability, so now you don't have to keep wasting your money on another disappointing rain gauge. Introducing the highly rated OutdoorHome heavy-duty rain gauge. This sturdy rain gauge is a post-mount garden rain gauge with a 6-inch rainfall collection capacity, which is ideal for most climates. The secret to this tough rain gauge is, as I mentioned earlier, in the plastic. Can you guess the type of plastic we use? This ever-popular rain gauge is crack-proof and doesn't show discolorations from long periods of exposure to the elements. Outback Blue large-capacity rain gauge. This tough rain gauge is a post-mount professional-style gauge with a huge 11-inch collection capacity. This style of rain gauge is what some weather monitoring organizations use to record rainfall. This beauty has inner and outer collection tubes and will collect small sprinkles of rain or monsoonal-type downpours. So there you have it, 2 tough, reliable rain gauges that will get the job done, giving you years of enjoyment. Both made in Australia using high-quality plastic. Have you guessed the plastic yet? The secret plastic a quality rain gauge has that keeps it not only looking great and prevents it from cracking or discoloring is polycarbonate plastic. Now that you have found the best durable rain gauges in 2021, use our exclusive Amazon coupon 66Y7TRJ as our gift to you. Subscribe to our channel now and hit the notification button to get notified every time we post a new video. And don't forget to use our special discount coupon today.